Hello and welcome back to another episode of my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete all Snapchat messages. Watch this video until the very end to not miss any part. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the Snapchat app and then head over to your profile by tapping on Bitmoji on the top left of your screen. As you landed on your profile section, tap on gear icon on the top right corner and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here you can see clear conversation option. Tap on it. Once you get into the clear conversation section, tap on this icon and again tap on clear button, and then your conversation with that person will be cleared. Do same as for all the messages that you want to delete and go back to the home screen and head over to the chat section, and then you can see the person that we have deleted is no more in our chat section. That's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.